What's up, people? Charles here, and in this video, I want to talk about Spectroads. And what Spectroads is a paid-to-click site, and it's based on bonus ad points. And the more bonus ad points that you have, and the more you can make daily. But this video is gonna be short because the screen recorder I have, it only goes up to 5 minutes. And basically, I'm in group 6 and I'm earning about $5 a day. And my goal is to get to the group 12 where you can make $213 a day. So, and a quick breakdown of this, basically, you can come here and buy a cheap advertisement for whatever opportunity that you're in, and you can promote it here. And the bulk ads are $1. So, and you can make money off of basically buying your advertisement. So basically, you're getting paid to click. So, but I'm gonna have to drop another video because where 5 minutes is not a long time to be able to break this down. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description. You can go, you can create a free account, check it out, and I'll see you on the next video. Like and subscribe to my channel.